Now we have to resolve this problem in such a way to find the values of A and B. The question is very simple. Find the values of A and B in the equation given below. And this is the equation given below, and the values we are asked to find are the values of A and the value of B. What do we do? That is the first question that will come to the mind of a student who is trying to find the values of A and B. The first thing is this: consider the denominators. Consider the denominators. We have x plus 1 and then x plus 5. The same thing here. Multiply across with the denominator. So the next step, simply write solution. Once you write your solution, use the denominator, multiply it across. What do I mean? Very simple. Here, multiply the denominator with this numerator. Also come here, multiply everything. So we have bracket x plus 1, bracket close, bracket open x plus 5, and then we have a 7x plus 19, all equal to, or rather over x plus 1, x plus 5. That's the first thing. We do the same thing here. We come here and do the same thing. We have x plus 1, okay, bracket x plus 5a plus, it's going to be a long work, but let's continue. So we have bracket open x plus 1 again, x plus 5 bracket close, all over x plus 1, and then x plus 5 close. Okay, so we have something to work with. Now we have something to work with. Don't be scared. It's just a matter of simplification, and every other thing will fall apart. So let's go. This will take care of this will take care of that. We are left with this. That's the first thing. Look at this. This will take care of this remains. This will take care of that, and this remains. So what do we have finally? We now have 7x plus 19. Nothing remains as the what? Denominator. So this is okay. We'll move on to this side. What do we have? The first one is x plus 5, and then a. X plus 5a, right? Oh, it's like I'm squeezing things up here. Let me just give space a bit. So we have, remaining here is just 7x plus 19, all equal to, look at this, 8. We have a here and then x plus 5. So we go a, bracket open, x plus 5, bracket close. We put our operator, which is plus, all right? What we have remaining here is just, this is b. We've not forgotten that. We have x plus 1 and b. So we have b, bracket open, x plus 1, bracket close. We don't have anything remaining again as the denominator. That solves it. So what do we do? Well, we have not found, be careful, we have not found the values of a and b as stated in the question. So we need to find the values of a and b respectively. What do we do? What do we do? We pull out one of the brackets. We pull out this, becomes x plus 5. So what should be the opposite? The opposite of plus 5 is minus 5. Therefore, x is now minus 5. Minus 5. Anywhere we see minus 5, we substitute. Anywhere we see x, we substitute with minus 5. So we go 7x plus 19, all right, equal to a, x plus 5 plus b, bracket open, x plus 1. So let's go and substitute. Where x is minus 5. Anywhere there is x, we substitute with minus 5. So there is x here. We are going to substitute. This becomes 7. Instead of 7x, 7 minus 5. Okay? Then we move on. Plus 19, all equal to. Here we have x, so it becomes minus 5 plus 5 plus b. Here we have x minus 5 plus 1, bracket close. Look at it very well. Look at it. Here we now have minus 35 because 7 times 5 is going to give 35. Then we consider the sign. Plus 19, we have 19. Alright, here, what happens here? Very simple. Here becomes 0. Automatically it is 0 because minus 5 plus 5 is 0. So A is bracket 0. Vanishes. What remains here is B. We have B, right? Minus 5 plus 1 is going to give us minus 4. Right? Okay? Minus 4. So let's see. That is what it will be. That is what it's going to be. Minus 4. By the time we simplify further, minus 35 plus 19. Minus 35 plus 19 will give minus 16. Minus 16. All equal to minus 4b. Alright? So if we cancel out now, minus minus, alright, becomes b is equal to 16 all over 4, and this gives us 4. So we have found the value of b to be 4, but we have not completed it. We still need to find the value of a, because the value we've just found is for b. We need to find the value of a. So what do? We go back again to that equation, to this b equation. We go back again to this equation, and then substitute for x when x is minus 1. When x is minus 1, what happens? Look at it. We begin to substitute wisely. At this point, 7 minus 1, it becomes 7 bracket minus 1 plus 19, alright, all equal to. Then we have a, alright? At this point, a is going to be a bracket open minus 1 plus 5. Yes. And then we have also the second part of it, b. Here we have minus x, that is minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1. Definitely that sign is 0. So we have b at this point is completely 0. That's what it means. So what is remaining is this. 7 times this is minus 7, alright? Plus 19, yes, is equal to, what happens here? We have a bracket open, minus 1 plus 5 is just 4. Just 4, no minus. Alright, with this, we now know that minus 7 plus 19, look at it very well. Minus 7, this is minus sign. Minus 7 plus 19, if you remove 7 from 19, of course what will remain is just 12. So we have minus 12. Minus 12 equal to 4a. Right? This is 4a. Good. The next thing we're going to do is to divide through using 4. We divide both sides with 4. So we have 4a over 4 all equal to minus 12 all over 4. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Therefore, cancel out. 4 will cancel each other, right? And then 4 cancels itself 1. 4 cancels 12 is going to be 3. Therefore, a is equal to minus 3. So the value of a is minus 3. We can simply summarize by saying the value of a is minus 3, while the value of b is just 4. Okay? Minus 3 is the value of a, and then b, the value of b is simply 4, equal to 4. Solved. So our final answer is this. We have been able to find the values of A and the B to be -3 and 4 respectively. At this point, we have answered this question. We have vividly answered this question and it's very clear. So, but if there are steps that you don't understand, put it in the comment section and I will be just to say that. I sign out this moment. See you in this class.